this ruling comes exactly 1 week after 2 officer-involved shootings on Milwaukee's South Side. The judge deciding today there are significant issues that just could not be resolved at this time. A new policy put on pause.
My inclination, though, would be to grant a temporary restraining order until the next hearing date when we can more fully hear these issues. I would do it because there are significant issues here.
Judge Frederick Rosa heard arguments from lawyers representing the city and the Milwaukee Police Association for hours Friday. The union claiming the city violated its collective bargaining agreement when it added the new policy.
The way it's always worked previously is it comes from the chief, the FPC can do what it wants with it, then it should come back to the chief and then be bargained over again if necessary.
It requires body camera footage of critical incidents be released within 15 days to the public. If there is a death involved, the department must show the family the video within 48 hours. The city says the policy is fair game.
The 4 corners of the policy does not deal with conditions of employment. It doesn't say anything about assignments of work, hours of work, wages. It doesn't deal with conditions.
Lawyers with the union also raising concerns about who gets to see the video first.
Why does the family of someone killed by a police officer get to see a video or videos before the officers that are involved themselves? That's a due process violation.
Judge Rosa ultimately deciding more evidence needs to be heard from both sides before the policy can proceed.
It's not the court's responsibility to rewrite it or alter it or do anything with it. We have a number of issues of first impression, and those are issues that ought to be more fully developed.
The next hearing is set for June 28th.
And the court wants to make clear.
And Cyria, I understand you just heard from the union president?
The union president, Derek, telling me that he is pleased with the outcomes of today's court ruling and the preliminary injunction. He says they do believe that the FPC wrote this policy with good intention, but they did not think about the negative repercussions.
Cyria Sandlin live downtown at the Milwaukee County Courthouse tonight.